What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Are you a racing enthusiast looking for a way to feel every turn and drift right from your desk? Today on Triplezon, we are searching for the best gaming racing wheel for PC to bring the thrill of real-world motorsport into your home. Let's get started. If you want a device that combines modern technology with your gaming needs, check out the Logitech G920 Gaming Racing Wheel for PC. This versatile tool is designed to bring the racing simulation world into clear view for both beginners and experienced drivers. Logitech has created a fantastic device that sits comfortably on your desk while expanding your ability to control your virtual vehicle. It solves the problem of using standard controllers by offering a complete steering wheel and pedal experience. Whether you are tearing up a track or cruising, this wheel enhances your hobby. Let us look at the capabilities of the Logitech G920 Gaming Racing Wheel for PC. It comes equipped with a dual motor force feedback system that accurately recreates the sensation of driving on a track. Every turn, drift, understeer, and oversteer is communicated through the wheel, allowing drivers to sense tire grip in real time. This precise feedback is backed by an advanced internal setup, making it simple to feel the actual road conditions. It is also paired with a realistic 6-speed H-pattern shifter to give you complete command over your vehicle during high-speed races. One of the best benefits of this design is how it protects your gaming precision. Instead of fighting jerky steering inputs, the wheel utilizes helical transmission gears that minimize noise and vibration while maintaining a tight, responsive feel. The anti-backlash design ensures smooth steering, which reduces mistakes over extended periods of intense racing. To make sure your setup remains completely stable, the device features durable built-in mounting clamps. This ensures that the wheel is firmly attached under any driving conditions, highlighting every sharp corner perfectly. Beyond standard controls, the Logitech G920 Gaming Racing Wheel for PC offers excellent functionality through its premium construction. It functions as a realistic simulation setup, allowing you to connect it to your computer to dominate lap times. Users can feel the luxury of hand-stitched leather covering the wheel and shifter knob directly through the device. Executing a gear change is as simple as a quick throw of the shifter, while braking requires a solid press on the polished metal pedals. This makes it incredibly easy to build a digital racing career online. When it comes to versatility, this robust and highly responsive racing wheel is user-friendly and suitable for a wide variety of daily applications. It can be utilized for navigating tight corners, hitting top speeds, and competing in intense online tournaments. This makes it an outstanding entertainment tool for students, hobbyists, and curious gamers who want to explore virtual racing at home. While it is not intended for real-world professional driver training, it provides an interactive and highly engaging experience that adds immense value to your everyday gaming projects. Are you ready to see your racing games in a whole new way with this excellent device? Check the price link in the description to find the latest deals and pick up yours today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Triplezon. We always love bringing you the best tools to enhance your hobbies, and your support means everything to us. Thank you so much for watching. Drive safe on the virtual tracks, and we will see you in the next video.